Audio players are one of the key tools for transcriptionists. Audio players are a software that lets you control the audio file, including start-stop, speed, and more. You can connect foot pedals to audio players, which frees up your hands to type even faster. In this course, we're going to use one of the most popular audio players, Scribe. I use a professional version of Scribe, which gives you more options for compatible foot pedals and types of audio and video files that you can use. There's also a free version available. I recommend the professional version of Scribe for professional transcriptionists. I'm currently using the Mac version of Scribe, but the features and interface are almost identical for both the new versions of Mac and Windows. The first thing to do is to download Scribe if you don't already have it. Go to nch.com/au/scribe to download the free version of Scribe. Go ahead and pause the video while you download the program. Now that Scribe is downloaded, you're ready to download some audio. Go ahead and download the MP3 audio file called Saving Money on Food. Then go to your Downloads folder to access it. You can either keep it in your Downloads folder or move it to your desktop. The first way to load an audio file into Scribe is to right-click on the file and choose Open with Scribe. Now you can see that the file is in Scribe. Another way to download a file into Scribe is through the Load button in Scribe. Go ahead and click Load and then find your file. Once your file is loaded into Scribe, you're ready for the next lesson.